Welcome back to your home garage, and today we're going to super clean this extremely dirty exhaust tip. Now before we do that, it's always good to know why this turns so black. So that black soot collecting on the exhaust tip is actually comprised of hydrocarbons, which is a normal byproduct of the combustion cycle. Now because this is a turbo Civic, small displacement turbocharged engines tend to run rich, and they run rich as a natural method of cooling. Small engines are tuned to use more fuel to ensure that the engine doesn't overheat. And it's really about thermal control and trying to keep the engine cool by liquid cooling through the fuel. So pretty cool. So generally speaking, black soot on the exhaust would indicate a rich fuel mixture, leaving partially burnt exhaust deposits. So not a bad thing in this case because it's actually expected. However, if the deposit was oily and thick, then that would actually be a problem because the oil is actually coming through the engine from somewhere. But this is dry soot, so we're good to go. So let's super clean this exhaust tip. I'm going to show you exactly what tools we're going to use. So here's a view of all the products that we're going to be using to super clean this exhaust tip. So let's start off with a water source to help knock off some of the loose debris that's on there. Then I'm going to be applying a citrus-based soap that's going to help with some of the more granular road grime and also the carbon deposits that's there. A wheel cleaner that's going to help with the more finer particles, and with the wheel cleaner I also have a brush here as well just to help agitate if the microfibers aren't doing a good enough job. Then we've got our metal polish that we're going to be using and a buffing pad to help apply it, and then lastly we're going to seal it. So let's go ahead and get started. Now it's been about 2 years since I've last cleaned this, so kind of embarrassing to say that, but it is the truth. And this citrus wash is already taking off quite a bit of the carbon on there. Starting to get really clean in here. You can see a lot of that stuff is gone, but there's still some more in here, so I'm just going to put some more product on there and let it soak in a little bit longer. we're just going to go ahead and let this haze for about 10 minutes and then we'll wipe it off. So I gotta tell you, I'm incredibly happy with the way this turned out. Now there is a little bit of a tarnish mark right here, a little bit right here as well that's left, but if you look at it, 97% of it is absolutely gone, and it looks like it's just right back to its factory finish, which is really nice. And it's sealed and protected and good to go for a little bit longer with some regular maintenance washes. Sometimes you just can't get some of the debris out of there, or the tarnish, due to improper care. I was just left just a little bit too long, but again, really happy with the super clean process, and it's sealed now, so we're good to go. So hopefully you like this video and it helps you out with keeping your exhaust tips nice and super clean as well. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course subscribe.